Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, March the 30th and March the 31st, 2024. It's today, Easter Monday, April the 1st, April Fool's Day, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 2-star Sudoku. And we have here in this puzzle page one puzzle left, and in the additional we have 3 puzzles left, so we have 4 puzzles to go, and this one will be number 8286. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, 5 ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 5 ones, so the rest are O's. And we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4. Well, now I need to think. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4. Well. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this will be 1. This should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 1 2 3 4. I believe we need to compare 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4 here. Oh no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O, so the rest are ones. And double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 4 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick to solve. Yeah, quicker than this one. This one I've solved in 7 minutes. But yeah, this one has 25 printed digits and this one has 27. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.